Hi everyone, it's Gabby again. Today's song comes from the lips of a woman whose life and marriage was on a downturn, shame, disgrace, denounced, and ultimately mistaken for a drunkard. But when God turned her barrenness into fruitfulness, Hannah busted into a prayerful song of reassurance. According to 1 Samuel 2 verse 1 to 2 says, "My heart rejoices in the Lord. I smile like my enemies because I rejoice in your salvation. There is none holy like the Lord, for there is none besides you, nor is there any rock like our God. Be encouraged, God will come through for you." See you next week.
There is none holy as my God. There is none beside thee. Neither is there any rock as my God. There is none holy like my God. Oh, there is none holy like my